Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, check this out. A company have reached out to me by the name of Whispering Meadows Family Farm, right? Located in Canada. They have asked me to check out some of their products, and trust me, it has been a pleasure working with you guys, right? As you can see right here, this is pure organic products right here, right? Delivering to over 30 different cities in Canada, right? I'll leave a link in the description below, and I need you guys to go over there and check it out. Trust me, they're off the chain. Wow. So go ahead and order today. They deliver straight to your door, right? Trust me, these guys are amazing. Right here, I have a piece of sirloin steak, and as you can see on the package, guys, this is grass fed, right? So you know this is pure quality, right? All right, so I just went off camera and got it all cleaned up, right? And I already passed some of the water out. Alright guys, as you can see right here, this steak is about 1 inch thick, right? And you see all those fats on the side? I'm just gonna leave it because, trust me, I love the fat part of the steak. I don't know why, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little seasoning right here, right? So first I'm gonna start by adding some olive oil. I'm just gonna drizzle my olive oil all over the steak, right? And rub, just massage the steak, right? Rub that olive oil all over. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flip it, and I'm gonna drizzle some more of that olive oil, and I'm gonna rub, right? Nice and smooth. All right. Make sure you massage the steak. You know, just rub that oil all over. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. Also some pepper, right? Also gonna add some steak seasoning, right? Just to give it a nice flavor. And I'm gonna flip it, and I'm gonna do the same to this side, right? Some salt, some pepper, and some steak seasoning as well. I'm just gonna drizzle my steak seasoning all over again. Make sure it's nice and well seasoned, right? So I'm patting the seasoning in, guys. I'm flipping again and I'm patting. Alright, so I'm just rubbing the steak, just taking up that extra season that's on the board, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna let it sit and rest for about 20 minutes before I start pan frying the steak. Alright guys, so right here I have some Cremini mushrooms, right? Some nice Cremini mushroom right here. Also a red onion and 4 cloves of garlic. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing my mushroom in some nice thin slices. Right? And guys, this is good enough. Look at this size. That's good enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finally chop my garlic. I'm just gonna go ahead and push my garlic to the side a bit, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and finally chop my red onion. Alright guys, so I already placed my skillet to hot. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, right? So I'm just tossing it around a bit just to spread the olive oil in the bottom of the skillet. Alright guys, now that my oil is hot, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my steak, right? And I'm just gonna brown on each side until the steak reach an internal heat of 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and test to see if my steak is ready, right? And I'm just gonna push in the center right here. No, it's not ready as yet, guys. I'm just gonna let it brown a little more. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and test again, just to ensure that I've reached an internal temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright guys, it's ready. So I'm just gonna take it out and rest it on my cutting board and let it sit for about 10 minutes before I start slicing it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and turned my stove down a bit. And now I'm gonna add half stick of butter, right? And I'm using unsalted butter right here, right? And I'm tossing it around just to make that butter melt a little faster. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my minced garlic, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and toss it around for about a minute before I add my red onions. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my red onions, right? And I'm just gonna stir it until it becomes translucent before I add the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my Cremini mushrooms, right? And I'm just gonna saute my Cremini mushrooms for about 5 minutes before I add the red wine. Guys, you just can't imagine the aroma coming from this right now, right? Trust me, this is bursting with so much flavor, it's unbelievable. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some pepper to taste, right? And I'm not gonna add any salt as yet until I add all the ingredients and everything come to a simmer, right? Alright, so now I'm going in with my red wine, right? And I'm using roughly about half cup of red wine. Guys, the scent of the red wine infused with the mushroom and the onion and the garlic and the butter is so amazing. Also gonna add 1 cup of beef broth, right? And I'm just gonna let it stay and simmer down until the gravy have a nice body, right? And for my final ingredients of my sauce, I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of pure honey. And guys, you wanna smell the aroma coming from this sauce. It's just unbelievable, trust me. Wow. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt because I already tasted off camera and it wanted some more salt, right? Just to bring the flavor up some more. Guys, wow. Wow guys, you need to try this sauce out. This sauce is off the chain. Trust me. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what my grass-fed beef is looking like on the inside. Wow, isn't this amazing? Look at all the juice running out. Wow, so tender, so juicy. Look at it. Look. Now this is premium quality right here. Nice. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of this delicious red wine mushroom sauce. Guys, you need to try this sauce out. Trust me, it's off the chain. Wow. And you can actually pair it with anything you choose, right? Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little taste test for y'all, right? Oh my word. Oh, wow, wait. Guys, honestly, the beef that could make it never need no season at all, right? The beef itself is packed with so much flavor, right? As you can see, you know, guys, I didn't cook down the steak in the mushroom sauce, you know. Actually, pan fry the steak because I didn't want the sauce to actually soak in the steak. That's why I do the sauce different, right? So all I did was to drizzle some of this sauce on top. And guys, as you can see right here, this piece of the beef don't have no sauce on it. Look on it. You see much sauce on it, probably just a little drip like ketchup, right? I'm gonna tell you, say, yo, the beef just pack with flavor itself, like it never need no salt, no pepper, no seasoning. Like you could have just cooked that beef by itself and eat it, right? Oh my God, yeah. Just give me a second. Hold on. Guys, this is a medium steak, right? As you can see right here, right? Guys, just look at this. Just look. It's a pure goodness right here, right? You can look at the quality, and she said it's a good quality beef, right? I don't know if it's a grass-fed, make it taste like this, or what, but trust me, the flavor, remarkable. Remarkable taste. Guys, we need to try this out, right? I'll leave some link in the description. Just check out the link. Whispering Meadows Family Farm, this was awesome. Wow.